Wondering why women tend to repeat toxic relationships? I'm Christina Love Coach, creator of the Rewrite Your Love Story program. I'll be sharing why many women repeat toxic relationships. Sometimes women may find themselves drawn to something that seems and feels familiar, even if it's unhealthy. This could be due to past experiences or patterns that have been ingrained over time. The fear of being alone or the belief that they won't be able to find anyone better can be the reason why many women choose to stay in or repeat toxic relationships in hopes that things might change. Women with low self-esteem have difficulty recognizing their own value and are more likely to tolerate toxic behavior or believe that they don't deserve any better. Past trauma can impact the ability to create and connect and build healthy relationships. Women who haven't fully healed from past traumas may unintentionally attract or be attracted to toxic partners. Women who struggle with setting and enforcing boundaries often find themselves in toxic relationships or toxic dynamics. Without clear boundaries, it becomes kind of a breeding ground for toxic behavior. Now, these reasons are not excuses for toxic behavior, but they are factors that contribute to why some women continue to repeat these toxic relationships. Recognizing these patterns and seeking support can be helpful in breaking these cycles. For the toxic red flags checklist, DM me the word toxic or drop the word toxic below. This checklist includes common red flags present in toxic relationships. Awareness is the first step in making the best decision for yourself and your well-being. Remember to choose you, choose love, and stay blessed. Follow for more.